pick up Tyler at school, and I'm just so livid. I'm so livid, I'm so pissed, I'm so mad. I stood there at the school gate and make sure I talked to his teacher to find out what happened to my child. Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I'm freezing.
What, Mario? Gaza.
Alright, Gaza done. Say morning Fizz. Say morning. Say morning Fizz. You guys, it's cold. I'm heading to take Tyler to school. Wait, I'm heading to take Tyler to school right now. It's cold, it's freezing. The cold is really setting in, but we gotta do what we gotta do. And today is gonna be a great day. Hopefully you guys will have a great day, whatever it is that you guys will be doing today. Yeah, baby's already rushed out to work, so you guys won't see baby until later. So have a good day. If you're returning to our channel, welcome back to the fan bell. If you're not, then be sure to subscribe before you leave, and catch up and keep up with the fan bam with all the happenings with us. 5 days per week we post videos on Mondays to Fridays of just our daily raw and real life. So catch you guys later. Tyler, so you want to say something? What you want to say to Faves?
I wanted to say that it's cold. It's none of that is cold. Because of one, I am freezing in the house.
You're freezing in the house?
Yes.
Which means Mama needs to turn on the heater today. Mama needs to turn on the heater later?
Yes. And
right.
also that means that the second thing why it's cold, because it's almost winter.
Yes.
The 21st of December.
Yes.
And make sure you all buy your calendar before the 1st, because it's Wednesday.
Yes.
And this Wednesday coming up.
Yes. All right. Tell them later.
Later.
Guys, let me fix this camera so y'all can see me properly. I'm about to blend my fruits for my cake, and that smells so good. Let me show you guys what in there look like before I start. So there goes my steamed fruits. It looks very heavenly, so I am looking forward to blending this. Fruits look swollen, so you know that they're well they're well soaked. All right, I'm gonna have to add some more wine to this while I blend, so I'm gonna blend this up and store it in my pan, and hopefully I can bake this weekend. So here we go, blend. So you know that the Jamaican Christmas cake is going down like for real for real. And it's a good thing that I bought a new blender, because I didn't plan on bake until last minute, but I'm happy that I made my mind up to do so. And this is a lot of fruits actually have here. That tastes good. And I don't use mixed fruits in my fruits. That's the one that the mixed fruit is the one with the lots of different colors. I'm not a big fan of it, so I don't use any. My mom never used it growing up, so I guess that's why. And I also don't like the taste of it. Comment down below and let me know if you put mixed fruits in your Christmas cake. But everybody make their Christmas cake differently, so yeah. Finished blending just in time for Sarah to go and take her nap. And that is what my mixture is looking like. Smooth and feeling really good, the texture. So I'm just going to cover this up until I am ready to go bake. I don't even know at what point was the last time I talked to you guys, to be honest. Because I've been so busy today trying to get things done in this house. My house was a mess from the busy weekend. And pick up Tyler at school, and I'm just so livid. I'm so livid. I'm so pissed. I'm so mad. I stood there at the school gate and make sure I talked to his teacher to find out what happened to my child. Pick up Tyler. You know when you pick up your child from school, you immediately know when something is wrong. Even if he doesn't say anything, just by looking at him, you're like... That was the look at my face when I saw Ty. And I'm not exaggerating. One mouth here, one mouth here. Somebody bite Tyler at school today. Come show face your face. Come, I'm use this step and put your face. Let me show you guys Tyler's face. Don't move, Ty. Don't move, just stay there.
Mom, I want to see how it looks.
Wait, I soon show you. Because you don't see how it look, right? You guys, look at my child face. Look at somebody's teeth mark in my child face. One side, the other side. I am sick and tired of sending Tyler to school and somebody doing something and he's not doing back anything. Tell them what happened.
We were playing zombie. And every time he hits the zombie, he bites him. And
so you don't slap the boy?
No, because I was scared he's going to tell
your teacher?
Yes.
But if he's biting you and you can't do anything, you slap him when he's biting you. I'm gonna teach you how to defend yourself when somebody pin you down and you can't move.
Okay.
But if you're playing zombie with somebody, he should play bite, not real bite. Yeah. You see what I mean? He should do like that.
Yes, like this.
Right. Not put his mouth directly on you. Not biting you for real.
Yes.
So that's what happened. His teacher said, hold on, I'll soon show it to you. His teacher said Tyler cried so much. She sent for the little boy's parent because that little boy have a explosion of attitude or temper. So she had to send for his parents. So that wasn't cool. And she said she wrote something in Tyler book too because she wasn't sure she was gonna see me at the gate. So yeah, that's what happened, and I'm pissed because in a time like this with COVID, you don't put your mouth on people. But you're playing. You don't bite for real. You pretend play. Tyler, you don't take off your school shoes since you get home.
Oh yes.
Please to take your shoes off. Sarah, she ready to play.
Je vais t'attaquer dans 3, 2, 1. Ping, 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 ping.
That'll take time.
Ton père. Ton père. Ton père. Comment? Ting, ting.
You hear me say no more playing with. You hear me?
Yes, Mom.
He's your friend, huh? No more playing with him. No more, no more, no more. Pas du tout. Sometimes you lose friends and that's okay. When you're friends with somebody, they don't hurt you. You hear me?
Yes, Mama.
Friends don't play to hurt you. Friends don't play to make you cry. You hear me?
Yes, Mama.
Okay, come and play with your sister.
I'm going to put down my food. Je suis le boss astronaute.
Tai, come in, Sarah, Tai, come in. He's coming, He's coming, Sarah. Your brother, you're crazy. Now that I've blown off some anger steam, I'm in the kitchen making dinner for the fam bam. And it's Monday, but I'm making salmon. I have Sunday, Monday, but if I don't make my salmon today, it's gonna spoil. And that can't happen, girl. You know, salmon expensive. Can't waste. Cannot waste it. So I'm doing the salmon for the kids and for babe, but I am gonna have oxtail. Baby's a kind of guy like this. When he have oxtail on the day when he cook, he's not a fan of having it the next day. He would probably have it 3-4 days later, but not the next day. He don't like to eat the same thing back to back, especially oxtail. Don't ask me why. But me, girl, I could eat oxtail every day. That's true. What is she saying? So I'm doing the salmon in my air fryer, and I find that when I do the salmon in the air fryer, I don't have to add any oil, just like how I don't add any oil when I do the fries in the air fryer. Someone asked me to show them how I do the salmon in the air fryer, and I've recorded it for a while now. I just haven't got around to edit it and put it on my food channel as yet. But I have it coming for you guys on the food channel. Don't worry, just give it some time. It's just me alone handling all this business around here. We're editing and these kids concerned, but I'll get to it hopefully before the holidays. Watch these two. Look at them. Look at her. Sarah, no jumping in the couch. Sit down. No jumping. Good girl. You're gonna fall. No jump.
J'ai dit, vous avez trop de cheveux, madame.
She doesn't want you to do that. Leave her.
Attendez, madame, vous avez attrapé la coupe de cheveux.
Sarah, no jumping.
Allez, à vous. Maman.
Yes.
Look.
Tyler, be careful. She gonna fall.
Attends, petit cheval qui chevauche. Petit cheval qui chevauche.
You guys, here goes my Sunday, Monday oxtail. I did the salmon, but I don't want no salmon. The kids had salmon. They already ate. I already ate, so I didn't show you guys what the plate looked like, but I'm sure you can vision it. So babe will decide what he's gonna have, whether the salmon and the oxtail or both, and babe having the same thing as me. So I am gonna grab until babe gets here. Somebody get a haircut, they're showing out. Why are you pushing me with your big self? Oh my god, honey, my entire body is in pain. I'm gonna bite you. Who more crazy? Think about it.
The world knows.
Absolutely.
The world
Trust me,
knows.
they'll comment in the comment section and tell which of us more crazy, me or you. We don't really need no confirmation still, you know.
That's just showing who's more crazy. That's just showing. It's just a poof. She bites me like a dog.
If you put your finger in my mouth, what do you
How is your
expect
foot
to happen?
feels?
It's killing me so bad. I just want to chop it off right now.
It's still hurting?
Babe, it's hurting.
The amount of stairs that I walk up today.
Good
I
for
think
you.
you should have done the same things.
Good for you. Yours not hurting anymore?
No, it's helping. So I think you should go back where we came from.
Hey,
and just do
mister, I stopped working out around the back. Round your cool leg.
Yeah, come on.
Round your cool.
But you're warming yourself, you're getting
No,
hot.
sir. The entire rest of the winter, I am not going back around there. And I stopped working out in the house because the one Tyler, he'll come in the morning and say, Mama, I'm hearing you're skipping rope in the morning.
Guys, we turn on the heater for the first time of the year. So, well, I say for the first time, but for the first and probably only time. So it's now on the process, and it will stay
The heater
on
is needed. We're
until like February, March.
March.
Probably March more than February. So yeah, that's just showing that winter is coming. We have like
Winter is
3
coming.
weeks. 3 weeks before vacation, this week plus 2 weeks including this week. So yeah, winter is coming. The cold is there, definitely.
Freezing outside
This weekend was a changing time, and even if we still I was looking at the weather forecast, it's still here, the prettiest the hottest city in France, especially in morning. But it's cold. I think it was like, I saw for tomorrow morning like 5 degrees.
This morning it was 8.
That's cold for us. So,
For us, that's cold.
So yeah, but it's winter, so I won't complain. It's also good to have some cold, and the planet also need some cold. So
After all the hot summers.
yeah.
Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoy today's vlog. We have a special vlog for you tomorrow that you guys don't want to miss. So make sure after you finish watching this one, you check your notification bell to see that it's turned on, so that way you don't miss tomorrow's vlog. And if it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe right now before you leave, so that way you catch tomorrow's vlog and all the vlogs to come. Right, babe?
Right.
Anyway, you guys, we're signing out right here, so catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.